A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Axiom 1. Existence of cause pairs. There exist contingent causes and their corresponding effects, and you will see these are the first is first order logic and second is second order logic. These same thing are represented in first and second order logic, but I'm not going to read them. I'm just going to read the text. Axiom 2. Divine connection principle. Every contingent cause effect pair is accompanied by a divine connection instance. Once again, you can see first order logic first and second order logic second. Axiom 3. Uniqueness of connection pairs. Each order pair of cause and effect has exactly one divine connection instance. Number 4 axiom. Distinct causal pairs possess numerically distinct connections. Again, these are the these are in symbolic form as well. Now, axiom 5. All divine connection instances are grounded in one and same essential attribute of deity, that is power. Now, axiom number 6. Non-independence of instances. So, no divine connection exists. No divine connection exists of the divine. Divine connection exists of the divine power. So, no divine connection exists out of divine power. So, there is something confusion. No divine connection exists of divine attribute of power. No, it means no divine connection is exists out of the divine power. So each divine connection is in divine power. So axiom number 7. Natural respecting principle. Every divine connection instant is proportioned to the nature and capacity of the related cause and effect. Axiom number 8. Exclusion of created nexus. No created causal nexus exists between any cause and its effect. Now again, axiom 9. The presence of divine connection exclude any created connection. So this is one more thing. Axiom number 10. The divine connection instances stand in one-to-one correspondence contingent cause effect pair. Now these are the codes which one can read with when he wants to decode the symbolic SOL and FOL. Okay, you can see that. This is the Divine Nexus Theory. Axiom 11. Principle of possible replication of causes. Axiom 11. Every actual cause possesses infinite many numerically distinct but qualitatively identical possible individual as counterparts. Now again, these are first order logic and as well that is second order logic. So we have written it in this form. So now axiom number 13. Principle of possible replication of divine connection, and these are shown as that. We'll read it later in the second part of the video. So you will see that actually what I have shown is that each and every cause and effect are connected by divine power, not is connected by the divine connection, the connection of the very divine power, but there is no connection that is created and that is connected with the divine power. So this is a basic thing that some extreme Asherites believe, but even then they do not believe in pure occultation theory. What they believe is that the divine connection is sufficient. The divine connection is sufficient between cause and effect to connect them. There is no created connection to which the divine connection is connected. So this is a difference, but they on very macroscopic scale consider that the divine connection substitute a created connection. I am not using the word creation for the direct divine connection, but it is something. That means a cause and an effect are connected by the divine connection itself. They are not independent of each other without any connection, just created by God, but there is a divine connection. So between the two, and that is connect with that divine connection, the connection of the divine attribute of power, that which is the essential attribute, it connects the cause and its corresponding effect. That is a very important distinction. And one may note that the Asherite concept has been not clarified by many, and they got confused. But I have worked and have assured that the Asherite concept, even it is not pure occultation, I mean the extremist Asherite concept. On the other hand, I have shown the moderate Asherite concepts and general majority of Maturidite concepts and Imam Ghazali concepts, which is actually Maturidi concept. However, the objections of the some those regional seculars who do not know what Asherites say, they used to make objections. And I also blame our own scholars that they have not presented the true Asherite concepts because they did not consider it worthy to discuss in this time. So it is necessity of the time to show what Asherite believe and what they do not believe. Hope that this will end many confusions. In the second part, I will read some more.